Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are fine at your home. Welcome back to the English video classes of English for 10th class. In the previous video we have seen so many great personalities who achieved success despite of their failures. So before going into the lesson, I want to say about setback. What is this setback? Setback is an interruption at your work. Setbacks are inevitable in your life. A setback acts as a driving force and teaches us the humility. In grief, we will find courage and faith to overcome setback. Only then you will be able to turn the stumbling block into a stepping stone. The famous emperor Napoleon, what he has told, what the mind of man can conceive and believe, that mind can achieve. So the motivation of succeed is nothing but a burning desire. So before talking about the burning desire, you have to know about a great personality who is the most remarkable person in the history. He is none other than our Socrates. Socrates is a Greek philosopher. He used to say that the learning should come through questioning. That's why he was given, for questioning so many things, he was given the punishment as he was given forcibly a poison as a suicide to die. So this is a picture of giving poison to Socrates as a punishment. He is the founder of Western philosophy. His studies, he didn't establish any school, but he had so many followers and disciples. Main in that disciples are Plato and Xenophon. So we can see the Socrates only in their writings. And before knowing about Socrates, I want to share one of the story of Socrates. A young man went towards Socrates and asked, "Sir, please tell me the secret of success." Then Socrates told, "Sure, I will tell you the secret of success, but not here. You meet me near the river bank." The man was very eager. He didn't sleep that night. And the next day, early morning, with a large amount of curiosity, with excess amount of enthusiasm, he went that he is going to know the secret of success. He went towards a river bank. They met. Socrates told the young man to walk along with him towards the river. They went into the river. They went up to their water stuck up at their neck. Sudden surprise, Socrates ducked the young man into the water. He struggled a lot to get out of water, but Socrates was strong. So he made him to duck into the water until he started getting blue. Then he pulled him out with the hair out of the water. Then what the first every person will do when they get out of water, immediately they will take a deep breath. So he gasped and he took a deep breath of air. So then Socrates asked, "What do you want most there?" The man replied, "Air." Then it is the secret of success. So how much desire you want when you are ducked into the water, the air, so that much desire you should have on your work to get success. That is the secret of success. So burning desire is the starting of all accomplishments. So one thing I want to tell you, I am getting cold. I'm lighting a matchstick. Will that fire gives us warmth? No. A small fire cannot give you heat. Like that, a weak desire cannot make you a successful people. So, I will tell you that in words. Let us see. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out in the world, we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger and faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is a man who thinks he can. So, dear children, it depends upon your state of mind what the success or failure. If you think you can, you can. If you think I can't, you can't. So it depends upon your fellow's willpower, burning desire. You should have a strong burning desire to achieve success. I think you will follow this, the key points of all these great personalities and inspire yourself. Thank you.